so what we're going to do here is look at the control settings on the Bafang BBS01, and this is the C961 controller. It's a 250 watt model. So if we switch it on, so to power it on, you just press the power button and straight away we're into the display. Now on mine it came as defaulting in kilometers per hour. Let me just take this protective stuff off. Okay. Right, so yeah, mine came in kilometers per hour, so I wanted to change all that, and obviously the time and things like that. By default you get 3 levels of assist, so in the advanced option that will take you up to 9. When you're in 9 it's a 100% assistance from the motor, whereas the lower levels are a percentage, so it's not full oomph. There's also a walk-in feature. I remember how you do this. I think it's, yeah, whoops. So press and hold the minus and then it'll go into walk assist, so you can just obviously push your bike and press that and it will move itself. So the default options, if we go hold plus and minus down together, there we go. So straight away we're in the miles an hour, and that can be changed to kilometers. And then once you've finished your selection, you press the power key and then it goes here. So you've got to remember what half of these things are for. This is the limit for speed, LSPD. So this is the speed at which the motor will cut out. I've got 32, which it never do. I'm going to put this down to back to 16, no 17. I think that's the UK limit. Okay, so you just press power to go on to the next option. Backlight level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't really use this. I don't go out at night, so I leave it on 1. Press the power button. Then we got the time. So hours, minutes. That's fine. 12:30. Power button. And then we're back at the basic kind of screen display. So what we do, we're going to go into that one again. So we press and hold plus and minus. And when that flashes up, press the power button here 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe 8. Okay, so we're in the advanced menu now. Same principle as before. Plus and minus to change the values, and then power button to select and move on to the next option. So here we've got the wheel size. So this caters for anything down to an 8-inch wheel, right up to, I think it's 26 700C, and then a 28-inch, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32-inch wheel is the maximum. So this is a 26. Let's put that back, select power button. Right, OFT is auto off, so it'll power everything off. I think that's after 5, I think these are minutes, must be minute settings. So if you leave everything on, it will auto power off. That's quite a nice feature. So leave that as there. Right, DH is the pedal assist. So by default there are 3 levels. And going back to this, if you look on some of the sides, these level pedal assists are kind of like not 100% each pedal assist. So say the first one is like 70% of the power, the next one would be 80, and then 90. It isn't those figures, but that's how it's sort of kind of stepped up. So you might just want to have a little play, ride it, test it, and see what you think. If you're not doing restricting it, you can just go in here and change this to the maximum if you want, which is 9. I know that 9 gives 100% power assist from what I've seen, without going into the controller settings themselves with the programming cable. So I'm going to leave it on 9, and then pressing the power button takes it back to there. And that's about it really. Powering off, just press and hold the power button down, and that's it, it's off. So that's it. I'm going to be doing another video with the programming in the controller. So yeah. Thanks for watching.